With decades of experience and a team that treats you like family, West Automotive Group is where knowledge meets trust. We introduce you to the team that is dedicated to keeping you safe on the road. This segment is sponsored by West Automotive Group. Brian, it's so great to be inside your Miramar location today, and I always love seeing you because not only are you knowledgeable, your staff is so friendly. Tell me a little bit about the team that you've built.
Well, they're actually amazing. So we worked really hard to put together really great teams, and what that comes down to is also not just a great manager and a great service consultant working together, but that they work together well. So, and we've worked that out for all locations. I've actually moved people to get, you know, there's idiosyncrasies with people and sometimes getting them great. Everybody that works for us is amazing customer service wise. So I want them to feel like they're coming to work with family when they show up each day. So these folks really do work well together, and their entire goal is to take care of our clients, which works well.
I know, and West Automotive Group has been around for more than 30 years. Some of these employees have been with you from the beginning. Employee retention is such a great sign of business. I mean, it shows that you guys really know what you're doing and enjoy working together. Why do you think people just keep coming back year after year?
Well, as far as that goes, back to the employee thing, I have a good friend of mine that helps do all the hiring with us, and we are so set on, like I said, getting the right people in place. And in doing so, when clients come, then the experience is great, which is what we want. It is car repair. Nobody wants to really have their car repaired. I mean, let's be honest. But you know, making it a good experience where you're taken care of and you feel like we're bringing you in as part of the family, sure does take a lot of stress out of the whole car repair thing.
Just like your employees keep coming back year after year, your customers do the same. I mean, you've helped generations of families.
Absolutely, and so Escondido's been around for coming on 33 years, basically. So we have the parents, and then the children, and then now the grandchildren that are driving. So we've gone through a lot of different family members as far as that goes that keep coming, you know. It's the way we've always taken care of the family like their family, and that's been the main thing. And that's what brings people back. They feel like they're coming to see family when they're getting their vehicle repaired.
You alluded to this a little bit earlier. Sometimes people are coming in under stressful circumstances, but that's not always the case. People come in for routine maintenance, which is important, and your staff guides them through all of it.
That's absolutely it. And actually, they kind of like making those appointments. It's something you have to do with your car, and if you take care of it well, then your car gives back to you well. So, and my folks always like seeing these folks come in. We do have clients all the time that bring in like, they'll just stop by with cookies. So we do have people that love coming for auto repair. That sounds kind of strange, but these guys have done so good a job of taking care of them that they just like to drop things off to them too sometimes.
I know, and while we're talking, I'm noticing over your shoulder, there's a collection of certifications and awards. You guys have gotten a lot of credit from your peers in the industry.
Absolutely, and all of our technicians get ASE-certified, which is the biggest stamp you can get as far as for an independent technician. It keeps them up on their knowledge, they keep doing the things they do, and it also shows that they're committed to what they do.
I'm Brandon, I'm the manager here at West Miramar Automotive and Transmission. Part of my daily tasks are obviously greeting customers and informing them of what they need done on their vehicle. Interacting with the technicians and relaying their diagnosis to the customers. They hear Brian, oh, are you the guy on the radio? Are you the guy on the back of the book? No, that's my boss. And building a relationship is the biggest part in the automotive industry. Well, Brian's a good guy. He gave me an opportunity to work here, and it is one of the places where you build a rapport with customers. Knowing that people are in safe hands and that we're keeping their vehicle on the road a little bit longer is satisfactory to me. So, I mean, I do like helping people. I'm a humble person, and knowing that they're taken care of is a big thing for me.